welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: National People's Youth Front City commemorates death anniversary of NPP founder late Purno A. Sangma by planting saplings along Solang River. Meghalaya ASHA workers to resume work after holding discussion with Meghalaya Health Minister. Implementation of service rules will benefit the BDOs and engineers, says Nyotrap Youth Council. And Meghalaya Congress President and party leaders to take the final decision on the 5 Meghalaya Congress legislators who joined the MDA government. And now the news in detail. The Congress leaders of Meghalaya today discussed the issue relating to 5 Meghalaya Congress legislators who went to support the ruling Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government in the state without the consent of the party high command. Speaking to the media, the working president of Meghalaya Congress, Penshngan NCM, said today's meeting authorized the president and the Congress leaders to take the final decision on the matter.
So as of now, I think you know yesterday, office bearer from Ramrai Block Congress Committee officially sent by the Block Congress Committee to meet with the official of the MPCC to discuss regarding the confusions on the suspension of the MLAs. We understand that the party workers are very much with the party. I think the MLA cannot take on his own decision to run away from the party and lost.
The ASHA workers of Meghalaya today met the Meghalaya Health Minister James K. Sangma and told him that the state government should pay all their pending dues. The minister told them that the state government will only release the incentive payment for the month of April. Speaking to the media, these leaders said they have withdrawn their strike even though they were not satisfied with the minister's reply. To commemorate the death anniversary of Purno A. Sangma, the founder of the National People's Party, the National People's Youth Front Shillong City, along with National Working President of NPYF Nikki Nongklau, President of NPYF Shillong City Mebon Rapthap, Headman of Meghalaya Kenton Masar, Dr. Marco, and leaders of Biodiversity Management Committee today planted saplings along Solang River at Meghalaya Kenton Masar in Shillong. Speaking to the media, these leaders said that they do not want to see that this river becomes polluted like Umkra River. Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association of Northeastern Hills University today felicitated Professor Badap Lenwar of Khasi Department in the Northeastern Hills University, who was conferred the prestigious Padma Shri Award by the President of India recently. Professor War was felicitated by Nehu Vice Chancellor Professor Prabha Sankar Shukla at the felicitation program held at Nehu campus at Umshing in Shillong in the presence of Dr. Lakhon Kama, President Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association Nehu, Dr. Davidson Pingrop, General Secretary Meta Nehu, members of the association, students and others. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.